Okay, for the past 48 hours, every single journalist worth his salt has been looking for Navjot Singh Sidhu. No one so far had any idea where he is. Not just do we have the inside story on what Sidhu intends to do next. I'm just about to bring you the first set of images of Navjot Singh Sidhu ever since he dropped this big political bombshell saying that he would be leaving the BJP. So here they are, our colleague Veena Soni in action at the Mumbai airport, chasing down Sheripaji Navjot Singh Sidhu. He's running away from our cameras, not saying very much, but we do have the inside story on what he intends to do. So here it is, the entire sequence, Navjot Singh Sidhu being chased down by our Mumbai reporter. So you look at the smile, here's a man who knows he's dropped a big political bombshell. He doesn't want to speak just yet. He says he will speak when he believes the time is right. Sahil Joshi led the team that tracked him down. Sahil, well done. He didn't say much, but getting Navjot Singh Sidhu on camera with his big breathing, he's got this mischievous smile. He knows he's dropped a googly. Now he's waiting for it to have its effect. Where is Sidhu just now? Is he still shooting for laughter challenge, that comedy thing that he does? And what do we know about when he intends to go public side?
Yes, indeed, he's at Mumbai's Film City, where comedy show with Kapil is a shoot going on at this point of time. And at the airport, he was at the jovial mood. We could see that he was waving hands to his fans. Someone called him Sidhu Paji. He immediately waved back, smiling, laughing. He spoke to them, but he refused to speak on any political event. What has been turned out after, in last 48 hours? Our reporter asked him two questions. The first question was that why has he left BJP, and the second question whether he will be campaigning for Aam Aadmi Party. Will he be joining Aam Aadmi Party, or will he be the star campaigner for Aam Aadmi Party? Both these questions, he had that smile on his face which we could see in the camera. So basically it looks like that he has decided that in Mumbai he is here on a professional work which he does very well. At Comedy Nights with Kapil, and that's what he's here for, and that's why he had chosen not to speak at all. But the whole thing, I mean, the way he kept his presence untraceable till, I mean, even at Comedy with Kapil's sets, the assistants were telling us that he's not going to turn up at the set. There was a press conference earlier, Sidhu's name was mentioned, but he did not turn up. Finally, we were told that Sidhu is not going to come for the shoot, but we could manage to get him at the Mumbai airport, where what he did is that simply smiling at the political questions, waving hands at his followers, and he is basically trying to show that he is cool with whatever he has done, and he has nothing to lose. That's what he's trying to project.
Well done, Sahil. That's a crucial TV moment, because you look at his body language, you look at his swagger. Here's a man who knows he's dropped a bombshell. Now the BJP needs to deal with that. Ankit Tyagi covers the Aam Aadmi Party for us. He has the inside story of when Sidhu is officially going to be inducted. So, Ankit, when is D-Day and what's AAP's plan?
Well, the precise date is yet to be decided, Rahul. It will be decided once Arvind Kejriwal goes back from Gujarat. Remember, he's coming to Una on Friday, and he'll be back on Saturday. What reliable sources have told me that it is going to happen between Monday and 31st of July. So it has been brought down in that period. So next week, Navjot Singh Sidhu is going to be formally inducted in the Aam Aadmi Party. And as we broke the story yesterday also about his role as the star campaigner in Punjab. So the entire, course is set. All the formalities, legalities, every question that was to be asked, and whosoever he had to meet, he has. And now it's just wait till the next week for that exact date on which he will be doing it. But it is between Monday and 31st July, Rahul.
Monday and 31st July it is. Navjot Singh Sidhu being formally inducted. That's the first time you've seen him. Everything else has been archival file images. First time Sahil's team, Veena Soni, our correspondent in Mumbai, she stood for hours, finally tracked him down. Thank you very much, Sahil.